Let's say we wanted to simplify our table. For example, let's say I wanted to remove this total sales column. But when I delete it using my Control plus space to select the column and my Control minus to remove the column, we actually see that the calculations in our percentage of sales column break. This is where hiding is useful. We might want to remove certain data from our view, but we might need this data later. So let's undo this using Control Z. To hide a column, first highlight the column that you want to hide. So I'm going to use the shortcut Control Space to highlight this column. You can right click and choose Hide or use the shortcut Control plus 0. We can see from this example that hiding is different from deleting in several ways. First, it does not delete the column. We can see that our column headers skip from C to E, clearly showing that there's something in between here. We also see a little break between these columns. Second, the numbers are still included in our calculations. When we deleted the column before, the calculations in this percentage of sales column broke. The same does not happen with hiding. To hide rows is a very similar process. First, highlight the row that you want to hide, then right-click and choose Hide or use the shortcut Control 9. This row is now hidden, but we can see that it's still living between these two rows because it skips from 6 to 8. To unhide the row, first highlight both the row above and the row below. Then right-click and choose Unhide. You can also do this for your column by choosing the two columns and then right-clicking and choosing Unhide. However, I do like how that looks hidden, so I'm going to go ahead and hide it one more time. If you run into a scenario where you have many columns and many rows hidden in an Excel spreadsheet, you can unhide all of them. First, select your entire spreadsheet using Control A, then go to Format, go to Hide and Unhide, and then you can choose to unhide all of your columns or all of your rows.